Hi guys, welcome to today's video. This video is a little day late, but this assignment is going to be due tomorrow, so make sure that you get them all done. I'm not going to do every single one, but I'm probably going to do like half of them on each page, just so you guys know what to do. Okay, so let's get started. So this front page asks us to write each number in scientific notation. So we'll start with number 1. Okay. Here's the old decimal. We need to make a new decimal that makes this number between 1 and 9, and we need to put it times 10, and then we need to write the exponent. So our new decimal needs to go here. So that'll make it like a 6, right? So we go, remember to go from new to old. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 decimal places. So since we went left, that's going to make the exponent a negative 6, and our decimal will be 6. 6 point, but the decimal would be invisible since this is just a whole number. Okay, number 2. There's an invisible decimal at the end of this number. Okay. And our new decimal needs to go between the 5 and the 4. Okay, so new to old. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we get 5.4 times 10, and we went to the right, so it's positive 6 times. Okay, number 3, here's the old decimal, and the new one just one space away. So we get 6 again times 10, and we just went one decimal place, so just make the exponent positive 1. Okay, number 4. Here's the old decimal. The new one needs to go after the 9. So that'll be 9 times 10. And then new to old, left 2, 3 times. So we went left, so that's a negative 3. Okay, number 5. That's 6.7. This one is already a number between 1 and 9, so you don't even need to move the decimal. You can just put 6.7 times 10 to the power of 0, because we had to move the decimal 0 times. Okay, number 6. Here's the old decimal. The new one needs to go after the 2, so that'll make it a 2. So we get 2 times 10. And then from new to old, we're going left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times, so we make that a negative 7. Okay. 2 million. There's the old decimal. The new one goes here. It's going to make it a 2. So 2 times 10. Going new to old, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we went right, so that's a positive 6. Okay, number 8 is in scientific notation, but it's not in scientific notation the right way. So right now this is a 71. It's supposed to be a 7.1. So we're going to move the decimal over, and that we're just going to adjust the exponent by adding 1 or subtracting 1 from it. So, okay, so 71, it really needs to be, so here's the old decimal, it really needs to be 7.1. That's where the new decimal should go. So we went right 1. So that means we're going to increase the exponent by 1. So 7.1 times 10 to the 4th power is what it should be. Okay. All right, so the rest of these you guys can try on your own. I did the first 8 with you, so just try number 9 through 16. Now let's flip over to the back. Okay, and we're just going to put these numbers in standard notation. So all of these are in scientific notation. We're going to take them out of scientific notation. So you start with the decimal. So this one's 0.9. And then you look at the exponent. If it's negative, you move the decimal left. If it's positive, you move the decimal right. And that's pretty much it. So since it's -1, we're going to go left. And we're going to go left 1 decimal place right here. So the answer to this one will be 0.09. Okay. Number 18, 2 times 10 to the power of -1. You take your number, 2. Here's the invisible decimal. And since this is a -1, you're going to move it left 1 time. So this one will be 0.2. Okay, number 19, 2 times 10 to the 5th. You take your number. That's 2 with an invisible decimal. And then this one, the exponent is a +5. So we're going to move the decimal right 5 decimal spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then fill in the missing holes with zeros. So rewrite it more neatly. So 2, it's 200,000. Okay? 804 times 10 to the 2nd power. Take your number. This is 804. This is not, some of these examples are not the best because the numbers aren't written correctly in scientific notation, but that's okay. We can still take them out of scientific notation. So put the decimal there. That's invisible decimal. And the exponent is a +2, so you move it right 2 spaces. And it's 80,400. Okay, number 21. It's 2.66 times 10 to the 4th power. So it's a +4, so you move the decimal 4 spaces to the right. And you get 26600, which is 26,600. Okay, 22, it's 1.5 times 10 to the power of -2. So it's a -2, so you go left 2 decimal places. 1, 2. And you get 0.015. Okay? 7.75 times 10 to the power of -1. It's a negative exponent, so you move it left 1 unit, or 1 decimal place, excuse me. And that's 0.775. Okay? 8.3 times 10 to the power of 7. So we have a positive exponent here, so we're going to move it right, and we're going to move it right 7 decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 8 and then 3. So that's 83 million, looks like. Yep. Okay, so guys, try the rest of this page on your own also. Hope this helped, and I'll see you tomorrow.